In today's video, we're diving into multi-purpose products that save space, time, and effort. Wait until you see number 10. This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. If you're tired of propping up your phone or tablet with whatever's nearby, this stand is a simple fix that makes a big difference. It adjusts to your perfect angle, holds your device steady, and keeps your hands free whether you're watching videos, working, video calling, or even cooking with a recipe on screen. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Just unfold it, set your angle, and you're good to go. Works with phones, tablets, e-readers, pretty much anything you use daily. Once you try it, it quietly becomes one of those things you won't want to be without. Cooking often starts with chopping, and that usually takes the most time. This slicer turns it into a quick, easy step. With one press, your ingredients are cut into even pieces and collected neatly in the box below, keeping your counter clean. The 6 interchangeable blades give you options for slices, cubes, or thicker cuts, and the sturdy design keeps it safe and steady while you work. When you're done, just lift out the box, rinse it, and it's ready to use again. A simple tool that makes everyday prep faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. Compact and powerful. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp belongs on your keychain, in your glove box, or clipped to your bag. It's a bright LED flashlight, rechargeable work light, and emergency tool in one, with a window breaker, magnetic base, bolt driver, and red light mode for signaling. It adapts to whatever the moment needs. Rugged yet lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, night drives, or unexpected situations. Confidence, light, and function, all in your pocket. If you've ever wished for an easier, faster way to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house, this electric scrubbing tool might be exactly what you need. Designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient, this compact yet powerful brush is perfect for everything from scrubbing dirty dishes to polishing sink fixtures, stovetops, tiles, and even bathroom mirrors. With its ergonomic handle and one-touch operation, it fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to clean longer without fatigue. The motorized head rotates quickly to lift away stubborn grime, dried food, soap scum, and stains. No more endless scrubbing with sponges or manual brushes. It comes with multiple interchangeable heads, so you can switch between soft pads for delicate surfaces and bristles for tougher messes in seconds. Lightweight and cordless, it's ideal for everyday tasks, deep cleaning sessions, or even on-the-go tidying. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen, detailing your bathroom, or giving surfaces a sparkling finish, this tool turns chore time into less of a hassle and a lot more satisfying. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like, standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful. Bright colors and simple shapes make learning feel more like play here. Kids can stack, rotate, and mix the pieces to recognize numbers, practice counting, and build basic equations at their own pace. The chunky design is easy for small hands to grip, and the magnetic pieces stay together while they explore different combinations. It's a hands-on way to build early math skills, keep curiosity active, and turn practice time into something engaging instead of repetitive. A lighter like this stands out instantly thanks to its bold, novelty design. The body opens to reveal a strong jet flame, giving you reliable ignition when you need it. It also includes a small hidden compartment, making it a fun dual-purpose accessory. Despite the playful shape, it feels solid in the hand and works smoothly with a simple press. A quirky, eye-catching piece for anyone who enjoys unique gadgets. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you, whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared. Its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease. So every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Long trips, late nights, or sudden blackouts, this lantern's ready for it all. You can charge it by sunlight or USB, and it keeps going when you need it most. With a strong beam, solid handle, and a built-in power bank for your phone, it's the kind of gear that just makes sense. Simple, sturdy, and always there when the lights go out. This all-in-one screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere.